Podcast. Hi guys, my name is Kate and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a cute girl's face. For this drawing, you will need a piece of paper, a pencil, a Sharpie, and an eraser. So to start, we're going to start on her hair. We're going to draw a line, a triangle like this one, and then we're going to draw a smaller triangle, and then we're going to take this line right here on the top, and then we're going to continue on this line drawing more triangles like this. Okay, so now we're going to draw her stripe of hair starting from right here like this, and then we're going to draw two triangles right here. And then we're going to take this line up ahead right here, and then we're going to make another stripe of hair like this, the same steps like this, but we're going to stop right there. And then we're going to go and continue with this line and then stop right here. And now we're going to draw her hair tie like this, and then we're going to draw this one like this. And then we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines like this, and then we're going to draw 2 leaves. One leaf is like straight, and then the second is a little bending like this. And then we're going to draw 2 pieces of hair right here like this, and then we're going to go back like this. This is how it looks till now. And then we're going to start from right here and then continue with another stripe of hair, stopping right here like this. And then we're going to draw her eyes right here. So first we need to draw 2 circles, and then we're going to draw 3 shining dots that shine in her eyes to make her look prettier. So now we're going to draw her eyelashes. This is how it's going to look. And then the same with the next one like this. And then we're going to draw her eyebrows like this, and then now her nose, and then her mouth. And then we're just going to draw this to like show when we smile it bends right here. So then we're going to draw the bottom of her face right here. So guys, this is the end of today's video. I hope you like it, and be sure to subscribe, like, and share. And you're also supposed to highlight it with a Sharpie. See you later guys. Bye!